of you. Today our topic is partial fraction type 1, resolving into partial fractions when the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors only. We go to the partial fractions type 1 or method 1. Objectives: on completion of this period, you would able to resolve the rational fraction into partial fraction when the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. The first one, resolve x minus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 into partial fractions. Solution: how to write? We have x minus 4 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6. First you write down in the denominator, we split into factors. Here how many factors are there? 2 factors. Those are, we get x minus 2 into x minus 3. X minus 4 by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal x minus 4 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here we have two non-repeated linear factors in the denominator. Let x minus 4 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal, how to write here? Here two factors are there, that's why we have to write to determine, we have to find out those are a and b. Then we write here a by x by 2 plus b by x minus 3, where a and b are constant to be found. Multiply both sides with the denominator x minus 2 into x minus 3. We obtain x minus 4 is equal a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. That is called what? Simply we have to do the LCM. Then put x equal to 2, we get a equal to 2. We have to substitute in the place of x equal to, then here the b will be 0, we get a equal to 2. And also the same way, put x equal to 3, a will be 0 and b we get minus 1. Putting the values of a and b in 1, we obtain x minus 4 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal, in the place of a we write 2, in the place of b we write minus 1. So that we get 2 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3. Now we go to the second problem. Resolve 1 by x, 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x into partial fractions. We write the solution. Let 1 by 1 minus x, 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 3x is equal. Here how many factors are there? 3 factors. So that we write a by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus 2x plus c by 1 minus 3x. Now we have to do the LCM. We have to equating 1 is equal a into 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x plus b into 1 minus x into 1 minus 3x plus c into 1 minus x and 1 minus 2x. Put x equal 1, we get a equal to 1 by 2. Put x equal 1 by 2, we get b equal to minus 4. Put x equal 1 by 3, we get c equal to 9 by 2. Putting the values of a, b and c in 1, we get 1 by 1 minus x into 1 minus 2x into 1 minus 3x equal, in the place of a is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of 1 minus x. In the place of b is what? Minus 4 by 1 minus 2x. In the place of c we get 9 by 2 into 1 minus 3x. Okay, you observe here in this problem, here 3 factors are there, so that we write in the partial fraction format. Also we find out the a, b, c. So that we write a 1 by 1 minus x plus b by 1 minus 2x plus c by 1 minus 3x. Then after that we find the values of a, b and c. Now we go to the third problem. Resolve x square plus 1 by x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 x minus 1 into partial fractions. Here how many factors are there? The same, x plus 2, 2x minus 1, x minus 1. Those are non-repeated linear factor. Here 3 factors are there. Then how to write the partial fraction format? That is equal a by x plus 2 plus b by 2x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1, where a and b, b and c are constant to be found. X square plus 1, we have to do the LCM. In the denominator part will be cancelled. Now we write x square plus 1 equal to a into 2x minus 1, x minus 1 plus b into x plus 2, x minus 1 plus c into x plus 2 to 2x minus 1. Put x equal to minus 2. we get a equal 1 by 3. Put x equal 1 by 2, we get b equal minus 1. Put x equal 1, we get c equal 2 by 3. Now this a comma b comma c value substitute in the equation 1, we get x square plus 1 by x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 x minus 1 equal, what is the a value? 1 by 3. So that we write 1 by 3 into x plus 2. What is the b value? Minus 1 by 2x minus 1. What is the c value? 2. So that in the place of c we substitute 2 by 3, then 2 by 3 into x minus 1. Now the fourth problem, we go to the fourth problem. Resolve x square by x minus a into x minus b into partial fractions. The given fraction is an improper fraction. To convert this into a proper fraction, divide the numerator with the denominator, then the quotient is 1. The coefficient of x square in the numerator, the coefficient of x square in the denominator. Hence the given fraction can be written as x square by x minus a into x minus b equal 1 plus a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, where a and b are constant to be found. Multiplying the both sides by x minus a into x minus b, we have an identity. X square is equal x minus a into x minus b plus a into x minus b plus b into x minus a. Put x equal a, we get a by a square by a minus b. Put x equal b, we get b equal b square by b minus a. Substituting the values a comma b in 1, we get x square by x minus a into x minus b is equal 1 plus a square by a minus b into x minus a plus b square by b minus a into x minus b. Now the fifth one, the split to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x minus 26 by 2x square minus 5x minus 12 into partial fraction. The given fraction is an improper fraction. Dividing the numerator by denominator, we have, you observe here, this is a improper fraction. Now we have to convert the proper fraction. We have to do this one, dividing the numerator by denominator. We have 2x cube minus 3x square minus 8x minus 26 by 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is equal, we get the quotient x plus 1 plus 9x minus, remainder is 9x minus 14 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Now we resolve 9x minus 14 by 2x square minus 5x minus 12 into partial fraction, because this is a proper fraction. You see here, the given problem is improper. Now we have to convert the proper, then after that we have to do the partial fractions. Here 9x minus 14 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is equal 9x minus 14 divided by 2x plus 3 into x minus 4 is equal. We write here two factors are there, two non-repeated linear factors in the denominator part. So that we write a by 2x plus 3 plus b by x minus 4. After completing like LCM, we have 9x minus 14 is equal a into x minus 4 plus b into 2x plus 3. Put x equal minus 3 by 2, we get a equal 5. Put x equal 4, we get b equal to 2. Substituting the values of a and b in second equation, we get 9x minus 14 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is equal 5 by 2x plus 3 plus 2 by x minus 4. Hence from 1 we write 2x square minus 3x square minus 8x minus 26 by 2x square minus 5x minus 12 is equal x plus 1 plus, what is the value is here? A value is 5, b value is 2. Now we substitute in the equation 5 by 2x plus 3 plus 2 by x minus 4. Okay, now we go to the summary. We have discussed about resolving the rational fraction into partial fraction when the denominator contains non-repeated linear factors. Now we go to the quiz. 2x by x square minus 1 is equal, just we have to do the split. What is the option? A is the right answer. The same way second one, if 1 by 1 minus 2x 1 plus 3x equal, how to split this one? A by 1 minus 2x plus b by 1 plus 3x, then 2b. option A is A, option B is 2A, option C is 3A, option D is minus 3A. What is the answer? Option C, 3A. Here examination questions are there. Resolve 2x minus 1 by x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into partial fractions, and also the same 3x minus 20 by x square plus 3x minus 20, 10 into partial fractions. Resolve x minus 4 by x square minus 5x plus 6 into partial fraction. In the denominator is, we have to split into the factors, then after that write the partial fraction. Number 4, 5x plus 6 by 2 minus x square into partial fraction. This is the improper fraction. Now we have to convert in the proper fraction, and also you split into the partial fractions. Okay, thank you very much.